I'm Lieutenant General Todd, Semonite, 54th Chief of Engineers, and we're on the road again today in New York City. And specifically, we're here at Caven Point, New Jersey, at the site of the new building, which is where a lot of our New York District employees are going to work out. And today with me is Alex and Allie. They just got married. They've been with the Corps for quite a while, but brand new newlyweds. And Alex is the project engineer. Allie is the structural engineer. Alex, tell our team a little bit about what are you doing here and why are you doing it?
Sure. We are rebuilding Caven Point. During Superstorm Sandy, Caven Point was destroyed during the flooding, and operations had to get put into trailers that are sitting out on site. So this building is replacing the building that was destroyed, and we're making it stronger. So this building has flood walls around it. The administrative part of the building where we're standing is raised out of the floodplain, and we have a custom flood protection system that we're going to put in all the openings. So the next Superstorm Sandy that comes around, we'll be able to hunker down and survive and get back up running the next day. Here at Caven Point, we do the harbor mission. So we take care of the New York Harbor. This is where we have our survey section. This is where we have construction division, where we did the harbor deepening project, the 50-foot deepening. So we do a lot of work here at Caven Point, so we need to be able to get back up and running after a storm, and that's what this project's all about.
So Allie, off the top of my head, I just thought here, you were the structural engineer, you designed all this, and here you are today, seeing it be put in the ground. What's the feeling when you see your work come to fruition like that?
Yes, sir. There's an indescribable feeling about, spending all those hours working on plans and poring over details, and when you finally see it in the ground and coming up out of the ground, there's just a sense of pride that it's hard to describe.
Well, I'm excited to have somebody of both of your guys' stature to be able to work with the Corps, and the fact that you just got married, best of luck, and I know that when this thing continues to come through, this will be working for a long time. So Matt, we build a lot of buildings in the Corps of Engineers. This is about a $58 million building. We clearly could have done this with a contractor had designed. Why did you guys decide to do this in-house?
We thought it was an opportunity to showcase our abilities, and we took great pride in this. This is our district building, and we wanted to use district personnel to design the building. We're using district personnel to manage the construction project. As the district personnel or the users, and and it was a great opportunity to showcase our abilities and design it to the best, to the best standards. We wanted to use this building as a point of pride to bring future customers to as an example of what we can do with our own in-house folks. And it's been a fantastic experience, and we learned a lot from it. And it's a great building.
Well, I've been very impressed with what I've seen here, but what I think I've really been impressed with was the people that are in the Corps and what you guys bring to it. And the bottom line is, we do have to continue to keep our technical edge in engineering. I just had a great discussion with Art Connolly, he's the head of construction up here, and he said he is worried, as somebody who's been with the Corps for a long, long time, how do we continue to make sure that we are world class? It's by having people like these guys and to be able to keep some of these projects in-house so we can continue to make our skills better. So I'm proud of what you guys have done. I think sometime next spring this thing will turn the corner. If you're ever in New York City and you want to know who's taking care of the New York, New Jersey harbor, it's the New York District, and it's great employees in the Corps of Engineers like these guys who are building today so we can be strong tomorrow. Thanks for everything, and we're glad to be here, guys. Great job.